Welcome to All Quiz, your daily school quiz channel for students across the USA. Today's quiz will test your knowledge, speed, and focus. Choose the correct answer, count your score, and let's begin. Don't forget to comment your final score below and subscribe to All Quiz for more daily school quizzes. Let's go.
Can you solve this grade 10 algebra warm-up? 3x plus 5 equals 20. Answer reveal. The correct answer is 5. Here comes the next one. Solve 2x minus 7 equals 17. Nice work! The correct answer is 12. Quick simplification challenge. What is 4x plus 7x? You got it! The answer is 11x. Substitution time. If a equals 5, what is 2a plus 3? Correct! The answer is 13. Slope check. What is the slope through the points 0, 2, and 410? Great job! The answer is 2. Function value challenge. If y equals 3x minus 4 and x equals 6, what is y? That's right! The answer is 14. Factoring test. Factor x squared plus 5x plus 6. Correct! The answer is x plus 2 times x plus 3. Solve this equation. X divided by 5 plus 2 equals 6. Nice! The answer is 20. Expansion round. Expand 2 times x plus 7. You got it! The answer is 2x plus 14. Can you solve this one? X minus 4 divided by 3 equals 5. Correct! The answer is 19. Now it gets harder. Solve 5x minus 6 equals 2x plus 9. Answer reveal. The correct answer is 5. Exponent rule challenge. Simplify 3x squared times 4x cubed. Nice work! The answer is 12x to the 5th power. Classic factoring. Factor x squared minus 9. Correct! The answer is x minus 3 times x plus 3. System of equations time. Y equals x plus 2 and y equals 2x minus 1. You got it! The solution is 3, 5. Find the x-intercept of y equals 2x minus 8. That's right! The answer is 4. Square equation challenge. Solve x squared equals 49. Correct! The answer is x equals positive or negative 7. Exponent multiplication. Simplify x cubed times x to the 4th power. Nice job! The answer is x to the 7th power. Function evaluation. If f of x equals x squared minus 3x, find f of 5. Correct! The answer is 10. Can you factor this? X squared plus 9x plus 20. You got it! The answer is x plus 4 times x plus 5. Solve this carefully. 2 times x minus 3 plus 4 equals 18. Correct! The answer is 10. Coordinate algebra time. Find the slope through 2, 3, and 6, 11. Nice work! The answer is 2. What is the y-intercept of y equals negative 4x plus 9? That's right! The answer is 9. Solve this equation. 3 times x plus 4 equals 2x plus 19. Correct! The answer is 7. Power rule challenge. Simplify x squared raised to the 5th power. You got it! The answer is x to the 10th power. Midpoint check. Find the midpoint of 2, 4, and 8, 10. Nice job! The answer is 5, 7. Inequality round. Solve 4x minus 5 is greater than 11. Correct! The answer is x is greater than 4. Quadratic equation time. Solve x squared minus 5x plus 6 equals 0. You got it! The answer is x equals 2 and 3. Expansion challenge. Expand x plus 6 times x minus 2. Correct! The answer is x squared plus 4x minus 12. Factor completely. 6x squared plus 9x. Nice work! The answer is 3x times 2x plus 3. Absolute value challenge. Solve the absolute value of x minus 3 equals 7. Correct! The answer is x equals negative 4 and 10. Discriminant test. What is the discriminant of x squared minus 4x plus 4 equals 0? That's right! The answer is 0. Vertex form challenge. What is the vertex of y equals x minus 2 squared plus 5? Correct! The answer is 2, 5. Solve the system. 2x plus y equals 10 and x minus y equals 2. Nice job! The answer is 4, 2. Simplify this expression. 8x to the 6th power divided by 2x squared. You got it! The answer is 4x to the 4th power. Factoring challenge. Factor 2x squared plus 7x plus 3. Correct! The answer is 2x plus 1 times x plus 3. Solve this quadratic. x squared minus 16 equals 0. Nice! The answer is x equals positive or negative 4. Inverse function test. What is the inverse of f of x equals 2x minus 5? Correct! The answer is x plus 5 divided by 2. Zeros of a function. What are the zeros of y equals x minus 1 times x plus 4? You got it! The answer is x equals 1 and negative 4. Slope check. What is the slope of y equals negative 3x plus 7? Correct! The answer is negative 3. Solve this equation. 1/2 x plus 3 equals 9. Nice work! The answer is 12. Extreme round begins. Solve 2x squared minus 8 equals 0. Answer reveal. The answer is x equals positive or negative 2. Perfect square factoring. Factor x squared minus 10x plus 25. Correct! The answer is x minus 5 squared. Negative exponent challenge. Simplify 2x to the negative third power, all squared. You got it! The answer is 4 divided by x to the 6th power. Complete the square. What number completes x squared plus 6x plus blank? Nice job! The answer is 9. Solve the system. 3x plus 2y equals 16 and x minus y equals 2. Correct! The answer is 4, 2. Find the vertex of y equals x squared minus 6x plus 8. That's right! The answer is 3, negative 1. Quadratic factoring challenge. Solve x squared plus 2x minus 15 equals 0. Correct! The answer is x equals 3 and negative 5. Domain restriction test. What is the restriction of f of x equals 1 divided by x minus 7? You got it! The answer is x cannot equal 7. Composite function challenge. If f of x equals 2x plus 1 and g of x equals x squared, find f of g of 3. Nice work! The answer is 19. Final problem. Solve 2 to the power of x equals 32. Correct! The final answer is 5.
Thanks for completing today's quiz. How many answers did you get right? Comment your score below and let us know which grade or subject you want next. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, subscribe to All Quiz, and turn on notifications for more daily school quizzes. Keep learning, keep practicing, and see you in the next quiz!